Hi students of class 10 CBSE. I am here with a new lesson, The Proposal. It is a one-act play. Have you read The Proposal? It is the last lesson. But you may be asking, why am I teaching the last lesson? Because there are other lessons coming before it. The reason is that it is a long lesson and I want to take burden off your head to begin with. I will be taking up those lessons as well. But right now, the proposal. Do you know the meaning of proposal? Generally, we know only one meaning of proposal. These days, particularly young people. Proposal for marriage. We propose to someone for marriage. But proposal has two other meanings. The first meaning is to suggest. He proposed that they should enjoy a picnic. He proposed that they should enjoy the picnic. What is the meaning here? It is suggestion. Okay. There is another sense, offering kind of help. Like, he proposed to help me with money. He proposed to give me money whenever I require it. He proposed to give me money whenever I required it. So I have given you the three meanings of proposal. Number one, suggestion. Number two, offer. Number third, we all know the meaning, proposal for marriage. One proposes to someone for marriage. And this third meaning is applicable here in this chapter, the proposal. The proposal is a one-act play. The proposal is a one-act play written by Anton Chekhov. Now the question is, what is a one-act play? What is play? Do you know what is play? By play you mean, you think that play means playing some games. Cricket, football, volleyball, indoor games, outdoor games. But a play means a drama also. And drama means play and play means drama. And you know what were the actors in fact called in past? They were called players. Players played their part in a play. Players played their part in a play. Like we can say, actors played their roles in a drama. Mark my sentences. Actors played their part in a drama. Players played their parts in a play. So it is a one-act play. The lesson, the proposal, is a one-act play. What is a one-act play? A drama is divided into acts, like 3 acts, 4 acts, 5 acts, more than 5 acts. As I told you, a drama is divided into acts. And when one act is selected for you, prescribed for you, it is called one-act play. This act, one act, must be a part of a large drama. But only one act was selected for you. Sometimes a play is only one-act play. But sometimes a play has many acts or a drama has many acts. And one of the acts is chosen for you or prescribed for you. Okay, so it is a one-act play. An act may have some scenes, though in this one-act play, it is only one scene. The scene does not change. What is scene? The setting of the play, where the play happens. The place where the play is enacted is called scene. Okay, it is related with scene. Now, students, the name of the lesson is The Proposal. Actually, its original name was A Marriage Proposal. To begin with, its original name was A Marriage Proposal by Anton Chekhov. Now, why is the name proposal, the proposal? Now, before I go any further into the drama and go inside the drama, I would like to pose a question to you. Tell me, though you are of young age, but tell me, when a father is looking for a bridegroom for his daughter, what he will look for in the person and what will be the most important to him in that person. In the other words, if a father is looking for a husband for his daughter, what would be the most important thing according to him? What he will want that person must have. Most important thing in that person. Can you guess? I am talking about these days. The most important thing would be the economic status of the man. How rich that person is. And what is his source of earning or income? Does the person have a steady income, continuous income, good income, so that his daughter will live happily after the marriage? So economic stability or economic strength is the most important thing for parents while selecting a bridegroom for their daughter. Do you agree? Why we have big marriages these days? We spend a lot of money and we proudly say that our son-in-law is this. The question is that modern marriages are economic marriages. Economic factor is very important. And same is true in this story. I would like to give you the brief outline of the play. There are three major characters in the play: Chubukov, Lomov, and Natalia. Natalia is the daughter of Chubukov. Chubukov and Lomov are rich gentries. They are rich farmers, landlords, you can say. They have large estates. Students, what is a estate? E-S-T-A-T-E, estate. We are investing in real estates. What do you mean by estate? Generally, in feudal terms, in rural areas, estate means extensive area of land, an extensive area of land and a large house owned by an individual or a group or an organization is called estate. Okay? So, actually both owned large estates, Chubukov and Lomov. One evening, Lomov pays visit to Chubukov. His purpose is to propose to his daughter, I mean Chubukov's daughter, for marriage. I mean he is seeking Natalia's hand. Lomov, a 35-year-old man, is seeking marriage with Natalia. Natalia is the daughter of Chubukov. Are you clear here? There are two gentlemen. They are rich people. One is Chubukov, father of Natalia, and other one is Lomov. Lomov wants to marry Natalia. So he has come to propose for her. Okay, as I told you that he wanted to marry Natalia, the daughter of Chubukov. But as he proposed, Chubukov is beside himself with joy because he thinks that Lomov is a rich man and his daughter will always be happy. When Lomov proposes for Natalia, she is not present. Her father gets to know this and he is beside himself with joy. And he leaves the place. Now, he is left alone, Lomov. But as she comes and starts talking to him, they start quarreling over petty issues, very small issues. There are two rounds of big quarrels in the play and they are fighting like cats and dogs on small issues. And it looks very farcical. Actually, this drama is called farce. You know, a particular kind of drama. A particular kind of drama is called farce. Students, you know what is farce? Farce means a farce is a comedy which involves ridiculous situations or events. It has some moments where you will laugh because situation is laughable. And that's because situation is laughable, you will definitely laugh. When we laugh at and when we mock something which is very foolish or absurd, it is ridicule. So it is full of ridicules. So it is a farce. There are moments in the drama when you will laugh, you will convulse with laughter at the foolishness of the characters. None of the characters rise above the situation. They are all short-tempered, but they are greedy and selfish at most. Okay? So I have given you the brief outline of this play. Now, I have divided this play into three parts because it is long for you. So in one go, I can't cover the entire play. It would be difficult for you because thereby I will be missing out on important details of the play. So I am introducing the first part. In the first part, as I told you earlier, Lomov pays visit to Chubukov. He is in his evening dress, wearing gloves. So Chubukov is surprised to look at him because he is formally dressed, and he jokingly asks, "You have come after such a long time. Please don't forget your neighbors, Lomov." And he uses all the words of compliment for him. He calls him darling, he calls him angel, my precious, my treasure. All kinds of complimentary words are used. And same way, Lomov also treats him with respect. But Lomov, as I told you, Lomov is of excitable nature. He's a nervous character and he gets excited very easily. Before making proposal, he is nervous. He wants a glass of water, and finally he brings himself to propose. When he tells Chubukov that he wants Natalia's hand in marriage, Chubukov is beside himself with joy. Because Lomov is a rich gentleman, he has a large estate, so Chubukov thinks that his daughter will always remain happy with him because he is a rich man. Okay? Meanwhile, he goes out to bring back Natalia. Natalia has gone to her farm to oversee some works over there. She takes interest in farming and other things. He is left alone, Lomov, and he has a kind of soliloquy, a kind of self-talk he does. And in his talk, he says, "Look, I may not be in love with the girl, but girl, though she is not that good looking, but she is educated, and I am already 35. If I wait to fall in love with some girl, it will be too late. I think I am already 35. It is a critical age. I must marry." Okay. Then he started counting his drawbacks. He has serious health problems. He can't sleep at night. When he goes off to sleep, he feels that one side of his body pulls off. His shoulder, his head are affected and he can't get sleep. Sometimes it happens 20 times that he goes to sleep but he can't sleep. A left side of his body starts pulling up. So he feels that if she agrees to marry him, I think he would be fortunate. So actually marriage is a kind of arrangement for him. He wants someone who would help him. Actually, whether he likes the person or not is not the question. Question is suitability. These people are so professional, so economic minded. Only economic sense prevails on these people and no other considerations creep into their minds. Whether it is Chubukov or Lomov, they both are of the same mind. So actually father is happy because he is getting a rich husband for his daughter, and Lomov is happy that after all, if she agrees, he is not so sure right now, if she agrees, then his big problem will be solved. Okay, he will get a wife and like that. So they are very practical people. They don't have any emotions and feelings. Okay, they always look at their target and they want to achieve their targets at any cost. Okay, and they don't get carried away. They are not emotional. They don't have any love. They are greedy. They are selfish, self-centered people. Okay, so students, I have given you the first part of the play. Okay, there is more drama in the drama. As the story unfolds, you will be excited and you will convulse with laughter. Yes, it is a farce. It is a comedy and you will enjoy it. So please write in the comment section if you have any problem in the part that I have covered today, and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.